we are going to see IUPAC name for the given organic compound. This is exercise 10.2 in your NCERT content. Okay. So let me take the first example, first one. Here you see that this is a stick-like structure. Okay, stick structure. Simply we can say that is a stick structure. So you see this structure, it contains two functional groups. Okay, functional groups and substituents, like double bond is present and also bromine also present. So how do we naming this compound? Okay, suppose whenever you see this double bond is present, so that you may consider according to your lowest locant rule that double bond present in a carbon atom, that is a first lowering number. Okay, that carbon, the priority will be given for that carbon. Okay, that is one. Here that is you see here, this is a chain. Okay, so this chain ending with this CH3, the bromine is a substituent for this compound. Okay, so before that, according to our lowest locant rule, we considered that the higher the bromine substituent, we may given the first numbering 1 2 3 4. Here that is double bond also present and bromine also present. Ana neenga first priority will given for this double bond carbon atom. Okay, so chain we have to, the longest chain we have to take this way. Okay, so root word, the same thing, root word, how many root word is present? Root number of carbon atom present 5. Okay, so suppose if you feel like to difficulty for this such type of compounds, write easy way like that: CH3, then second carbon is CH is present and double bond is present, then third carbon CH is present, and here the CH is present and also one bromine substituent also present, and ending with CH3. Now it is very easy. So where the double bond is present, here the double bond is present here, so we have to take this carbon atom, that is a first preference. Okay, 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Okay, after that the same systematic rule, root word, that is 5, all the carbon connected the single bond, so pent. Okay, so pent. Okay, here where the substituent is present, fourth carbon, the bromine substituent is present. Okay, that is a secondary prefix. Okay, so 4 bromo, 4 bromo, 4 bromo, paint, and here the ene also present, that is act as a primary suffix. Okay, right. Here which carbon the ene is present? Second carbon is present. So 4 bromo, paint, 2 ene, 2 ene. Okay, right. So next one, here you see that the same structure. Okay, so here this is the double bond is present here, double bond is present here. So we may consider according to our lowest locant rule, this carbon atom be a first priority. Okay, so 1, then 2, then 3 and 4th, ending with 4th, the ending with this CH3, the bromine is a substituent. Okay, so here you, this compound also easy way you have to write better, avoid the mistakes. CH2, first carbon CH2, then double bond is present, then C, one methyl group is present, and third carbon CH is present, and the same bromine is substituent is present, and ending with this CH3. Okay, this after that you are numbering this double bond carbon, first priority is given 1, and then 2, then 3 and 4. Okay, so the root word, it is a but. Okay, the bromo substituent present in the third carbon atom. Okay, this act as a secondary prefix. Okay, so write 3 bromo, 3 bromo, 3 bromo, 1 2 3 4, and but another one methyl group is present. Suppose 2 substituent present, you have to follow alphabetical order. Okay, so the bromo comes first, after that methyl group. Okay, so then 2 methyl and but But where the first carbon atom is present for lowest, the locant is present in the numbering, that but 1 ene. Okay, so like that we have to naming the given organic compound. Okay, in text sum 10.1. okay, here the name is given, ask you to write the draw the structure for the given organic name. Okay, right here first one 2 chloro 3 methyl pentane. Okay, so the same systematic rule. Okay, for word root, find the word root, that is 3 methyl pentane means how many carbon atom? 5 carbon atom. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, next after that, here the 2 chloro, second carbon chlorine is present. Okay, then 3 methyl, third carbon methyl group is present. Okay, right. After that, fill all the hydrogen. For here the ending carbon, that is CH3, here the ending carbon, that is CH3. Okay, after that the CH3 plus 1, each carbon valence is satisfied with 4, no, right? So 3 plus 1 4. Okay, here 1 2 3 4. Okay, here 3 plus 1 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, right, here 3 plus 1 4. For this carbon atom, that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, right, this is for now pent, root word is pent. 1 2 3 4 5, right. Or pent, ane means what? That is primary suffix, all the carbon connected between single bond. Okay, after that the second position chlorine substituent is present, and the third position methyl group substituent is present. Okay, right. So next 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. Here the primary prefix like cyclohexane. Okay, so cyclohexane, first draw the cyclohexane. This is your cyclohexane. Okay, the numbering it 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, after that 1 chloro, first position chlorine is present, then 4 ethyl, the fourth position, that is ethyl group is present. Okay, fourth position ethyl group is present, that is CH2 CH3. This is your 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. Okay, next one, third one 4 tertiary butyl 3 iodocaptane. The root word what ma? That is captane means what is 7 carbon atom. Okay, so meth, eth, prop, pent and hex and kept. Okay, so draw 7 carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, after that third position iodine is present. Okay, third carbon iodine is present, and fourth carbon tertiary butyl. This is carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Fourth carbon tertiary means carbon, there is no hydrogen connected the 3 other carbons, that is called tertiary. Okay, this is tertiary structure. Okay, right, 1 2 3 4, this is tertiary butyl. Okay, right. So then this carbon ending with CH3 CH2, then CH2. Okay, here already one bond is present, here one bond, here one bond, 1 2 3 4. Okay, here the same iodine one bond is present, here one bond, 1 2 3 4. Okay, right, here that is already one bond here ending with CH3 bond is there. Then for this carbon 1 2 only is there, then CH2 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that this is a 4 tertiary butyl 3 iodocaptane. Okay,